Good morning. Welcome to Pinky Miles Case Cookies and Candy. I'm Mary, and thank y'all for jumping on. And whether it's live, that you're watching it live or replay, we appreciate you you watching our videos and your love and your support and all your comments. We appreciate that. I'm going to be making something so simple this morning, and I don't know if I've seen this on the website or not, but it is an old recipe. It's I was looking through Mary Crowler's cookbook this morning. She was the one that started Home Interior, and a lot of you probably know her, Mary Crowley, or remember back when Home Interior was just blooming. Well, I sold Home Interior for 7 years, and this was her cookbook that she had the people. I got in the 70s, in like well, no, it must have been the early 80s, because Chuck was my little boy was a little over a year old, less than 2 years old, and he was born in 79. So it was probably in the early 80s but she already had this cookbook created. So this was an old cookbook, and you can see I just got a page of it. It had the plastic binders, and that binder, it's so old it broke, so I just went in and picked out one. And this is when I can stand here and not be moving around a lot. So it's really simple. It's called a cherry salad. I know over the years, I'm sure y'all have made this, but it's just something simple. But it also is a good salad for the 4th of July because it's made with cherry pie filling. You can do this with blueberry pie filling or strawberry or cherry or whatever. And it'd be a good dessert for the summer and also for the 4th of July. Okay, so we're going to start with the can of cherry pie filling. This is just a Walmart brand. It's 21 ounce. Just going to put it in a bowl. And I haven't been outside this morning. I didn't go on the porch and drink my coffee. I just stayed in the house. So I don't know what the weather it shows is already 83 degrees here. I did see on the internet where it's going to get up to 94 here today. It's summertime, that's for sure. And then 1 can, let's see, 14 ounce of Eagle brand milk. Well, this ain't Eagle brand, this is Ness's, but it's a sweetened condensed milk. Sweetened condensed. I can't remember that if I've ever made this or not. I've made something similar to it before, but I don't think I've actually made this recipe. I'm cooking pork chops later on today, some smothered pork chops, but I decided I wanted to do this for y'all because I don't have to be moving around a lot. And it calls for let me see what that is. I don't know what that was. It was a speck of something on my pineapple. It takes 1 cup of crushed pineapple drained. I've already got most of it drained. I'm going to set this aside so y'all can see what I'm doing here. The way I drain mine is I use a little strainer, put it over a bowl, and then I pick my pineapple. Oh, I know what that was. I just picked out a little dark spot. It was pineapple. I can't see good nowadays, and I thought it was something else, but I see now there's some more in here. It's just little pieces of the, what comes off of the pineapple. Okay, and I just mash it down like that, and I've already got some in here. I think that's going to be enough. It's a cup. Now I might put another. It looks like it's going to take almost a whole can. drained. And if you get, you know, I'll do something with the rest of this. But this is a 20-ounce can, and it literally almost took the all of it. So I might mix up a 1-layer cake or something and put that on it, because after Linda made those pineapple muffins yesterday, I want to make me something with pineapple. So I'm gonna I got a little bit of pineapple on my counter here. All right, now I'm gonna put my pineapple in here. Crushed pineapple, drained. Get all this out of my way. And then it takes a cup of sweetened coconut. I've already measured it to see if I had enough in this package so I wouldn't have to get another one. I like the Baker's. It just seemed like it's more. So I've got a cup in here. So I'm going to put a cup of coconut. And if you don't like coconut, just don't put coconut in it. You know? You know, every time you make something, you can, you know, if you don't like that particular ingredient, just don't put it in there. This is 2 cups of miniature marshmallows. And I'm going to stir this up a little bit before I put Cool Whip in it, so I don't have to stir it as much. It's going to be a big bowl. And I had whipping cream, and I started to make my own whipping cream. But sometimes, some recipes, when it calls for Cool Whip, you have to use Cool Whip, not your whipped. So I don't know the reason why, but some recipes don't work if you make your own Cool Whip. It calls for a large container. This is 16 ounce of Cool Whip. I had gotten just a little bit, a few tablespoons of this Cool Whip out of this container the other day when I made something. So this wasn't exactly a full container, but almost. But I'm going to make it work because I didn't want to go to the store this morning before I got on air. I'm going to get it all out too. Okay. Got a little on my finger. Now I'm just going to mix it up. This is kind of like that Watergate salad that I make every Christmas. Except the Watergate salad has instant pudding in it. This doesn't. I think my aunt makes something like this for Christmas, or used to when I was a kid. She made something similar to this. But I want to get it all stirred up. But it'll make a pretty dish. I don't want to over stir it. Deflate the Cool Whip. But anyway, this will be good. I'm definitely going to have to be giving some of this away because I'm not having company or anything. This is something I'd be doing when I had company, but I just wanted to do something that I didn't have to move around a lot this morning. I'm feeling good, and I don't want to get to feeling bad. So now I'm gonna put it in a little prettier dish. I may have to just spoon it in there because it's heavy. It's a lot. But it sure does smell good. You could even put chopped pecans in this if you wanted to, or walnuts, any kind of nuts. But I didn't want to put any nuts in it because I really can't eat a lot of nuts. Oops. I believe this bowl's going to hold it. This is one of our new Pampered Chef serving bowls. I got so much to do that when I do feel good, I'm so far behind on everything until it overwhelms me because I do have so much to do. All right, I empty just a little bit on the counter there. I'm gonna wipe my counter off, wash my hands, and I'm gonna show you. Y'all know Linda's been embroidering a lot, and I'm gonna show you something she embroidered for me probably 40 years ago, and I've never used them because I didn't want to. I wanted to keep them pretty. Anyway, I'm going to taste this. See? Makes a pretty dish. Okay. I'm just going to get me a little bowl. I know it's good. Thank you, Jesus. I knew I would like it because I like everything in it. Looks like yeah, there's a cherry. That's delicious. That's something you could make for the 4th of July. And I'm going to show you. I'm going to get this out of the way. I don't want to get nothing on this. She made me 7 of these. They're huge. This is made out of, I think this is like cheesecloth. It's big. It's a big cup towel. Tea towel, whatever you want to call it. I wish y'all could see it. It's kind of, let me see if I can fold it. She made me one for every day of the week. See how pretty that is? It's got Monday on it. Now I'm going to show you something else. It amazes me how she makes little bitty tiny stitches, and it's beautiful. Now this is the back of it. I want to show you the back of it. Can you see it? It's yellow. Some of it's yellow. It's hard to see. That's the back of it. The back of this, her back stitches is almost as neat as the ones on the front. How in the world she does that, I don't know. But it's beautiful. She just does such little bitty stitches. I'm going to see if I can see. Just little bitty stitches, and the back of it looks almost as neat as the front. I have done a little bit of embroidery myself, but my back certainly don't look like that. And I don't make as smaller stitches. I mean, that is so small, but it's beautiful work. Linda's just really talented in that, and I just wanted to show y'all. Like I said, she gave these to me probably 40 years ago. And it's something that I won't use because I do not want it to. I'm gonna post a picture of every day of the week that she did for me. I can't. I won't undo them and show them all to y'all on this video, but I will. I'm gonna take some pictures of each day of the week, and I'll post them on our page so you can see all of them. They're just beautiful. They've all got a little cat on them, little cat, and then that's that little Dutch girl. I think that's what you call it. That's something similar to what she's doing now. But anyway, I didn't know if y'all would want to see that or not, but I thought y'all might. I've got a pretty big scheduled, pretty bit to do today, and I'm hoping that I'm just accepting and believing that I'm gonna get some of it done. May not get it all done, but yeah, I'll show y'all all of them. I'm gonna post pictures of all of them after I get off air. There's there's several steps I have to do to get it on there, but I will. Now this recipe for this cherry salad, I will post that. I'll take a picture and post it on our page. It's real simple, and you see how quick I did it in 15 minutes. So this is something you can do easy for your salad, for your family reunions, get-togethers, or whatever. Of course, you want to refrigerate it after you get through. I'm showing y'all a picture of this, but I will put it into a bowl with a lid, and then I'll put it in the refrigerator. And then I'm probably going to take my neighbor some of it. I think she likes coconut. I know she likes pineapple. Yeah, she likes coconut. I was just trying to reminisce on whether she would like this or not, but I'm sure she will. I love y'all, and y'all see my videos are very short, but I'm doing what I can. The other day, I was just so heavy-hearted on the topic that I wanted to talk to y'all about, and but I'll have to do that when I'm sitting down, maybe on my porch or something. And at that particular day, I did not feel like doing it. So, but anyway, you know, sometimes the Lord lays things on our heart to relate to someone. Don't know why, but I'll get on there one day and try to reminisce. You know, I don't remember. My memory is not as good as my sister's, but ever so often I'll have a flashback, and I just want to talk to y'all about it a little bit. Love y'all so very much. Appreciate all your comments, all your support, and all your love. Y'all are the best in the world. I wished I could answer those questions as we go, but I can't. I just can't see them, and I'm not 2 feet from that camera, but I cannot read those comments. So I love y'all. Don't forget to count your blessings. You know, we all have problems. It just depends on how we look at them. So don't forget to count your blessings. And I don't know when I'll be back on. Don't know when Linda will be back on. We just take it when we feel like it. So love y'all very much. Bye. Don't forget to count your blessings. Bye-bye.